Do you know how a plant grows a new plant? A. By 9 months pregnant. B. Adopt new plant. C. Reproduce new shoots from certain organ. Hello everyone! Welcome! Now you are with me, Suri. This video will guide you to observing the way of reproduction of several types of plants and certain organs that play a role in reproduction. So stay tuned in this video, okay? To know more about this topic, I have a video that can explain you more about this. Check this out.
Vegetative propagation is routinely done and is preferred by many plants. Some of the flowering plants propagate by specialized structures. This method of reproduction is asexual reproduction, where there is no involvement of male and female gametes. A large number of horticultural crops, such as guava, grapes, pomegranate, orange, and citrus, vegetative crops such as potato and sweet potato, and flowering plants like chrysanthemum are produced through vegetative propagation.
I'm sure that you gain some new information about this topic, and I know you know this topic now. So what's about? Are you know it? Yes, of course, that's right. Vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is an asexual method of plants reproduction that occurs in its leaves, roots, and stem. Therefore, how important vegetative propagation to a plant? This is a function of vegetative propagation. So friends, have you ever grown a plant by yourself? Let's do it together. These are all what you need: carrot, onion, bryophyllum, celery, basil, bottle plastic, water beads, glass plastic, cutter, toothpick, and other equipment that you may need. Before you grow a plant, of course, they need a place to grow. We create the house first. You can use bottles or glass plastic like this. For glass plastic, you may need two different kinds of size. We make some hole in the upper part of bottles. This is the house for the plants. Pour water into the bottle as the media plant to comfort grow plants. And then put the plant to the bottle. If it seems slack, you can fit the bottles or fit the plants. Your plants likely to fall like I do? Don't worry, we can provide it with water beads to make the plant still stand up. For first, we should soak the water beads in water for 2 hours before we use it. Just like this. You may do any improvement or innovation on your plants, but for this experiment, you only need water for the media plant and water beads to provide to support the plants to stick it up. If you can't find these plants, you can change to another plant that available around you. Let them rest and watch it once in 2 days. Water the plants while you observe to keep it fresh and prevent the beads shrink. Observe for 14 days. It's done. Now you already done the experiment. From the experiment, you can identify the variables is the independent variables or dependent variables and controlled variables from that experiment. May I know it? You don't need to answer now. Answer it in worksheet. Okay. Good job. After you can identify the variables, you can predict also what's happened in the future of our experiment. You can write the hypothesis in the box that a fill in worksheet. But your prediction must be proportional to the data result. Your prediction must be proven by observing that you do in once in 2 days. Okay, good job. And write the progress of your plants, growth, and the table. Days have passed. From your data result table, you can write your observation clearly and more detailed. Good job. Like what happens in the fourth day, or the plants fail to grow in the sixth day, or anything. You can write it down of observation. From your 14 days observation, you can analyze what's factor that triggers your buds growth. Is it about the humidity or your location or the sunlight or anything? Have your plants fail, or some of your plants, or one of your plants, or maybe two or three, or you don't find any fail of your experiment? If you know what caused it, is it, you can write it down on the discussion box. All right, so we are in the end of the video. A plant can reproduce new shoots not only from fertilization alone, it can be from previous plants that become a parent for the new shoots. This is called asexual reproduction or vegetative propagation. Some plants organs such as stem, leaf, and roots have important role to reproduce the new buds. Okay, that's all from me. See you on next video. I'm sorry if I give you an uncomfortable condition and situation to watch me. I'm sorry. Good job. Bye bye.